Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you're all fine. This is a lecture for class 5 subject in English. Today we will discuss the gerund. And before starting our lecture, I would like to clear some concepts. There are some mistake in the notes of your winter task. So let's clear it, and after that we will discuss the gerund. As we have discussed winter task notes, page number 7, there is a mistake in the example of future perfect tense. There you should have to put will Ajmal have repaired. There you should have to write have. Okay, like that. Look there, will Ajmal have repaired his bike next week? So put here have, then it will correct according to the future perfect concept. Okay, in future perfect we have will, have, shall have plus third form. So will Ajmal have repaired his bike next week? So let's start our today's topic. Students, here is the definition of the gerund. A gerund is a verb plus ing form which is used as a noun, not as a verb. It is used as a noun. A gerund is a verb plus ing form, like swimming, eating. These if you see these, you can say that, oh, it is present participle, it is used in continuous sentences. No, but gerund means when you use ing form as a noun. यानी कि gerund में जो ing form होती है वो as a noun यूज होती है, या तो वो subject होता है या वो object. Okay, so there is a difference between gerund and present participle. Present participle we use as a verb, like I am going, I like swimming, sorry, I am going, I am swimming, I am sleeping. Then we can say that we are use present participle as a verb. But when I am talking about the gerund, it means I am talking about that verb plus ing form is used as a noun. So as a noun when we use, we can say that it is gerund. Clear? And when we use it as a verb, then we can say that it is present continuous or past continuous or future continuous. Present participle ing form is used in continuous sentences or tenses. So there is a difference between gerund and ing form. Ing form is used for continuous tenses, and ing form is used as a noun. Look student, there is example for you, like Sana is running. Sana भाग रही है. Sana is running. Running is a verb. This is present continuous. Running is a good exercise. Here I am using running but as a noun, as a subject. Running is a good exercise. भागना एक अच्छी exercise होती है. So there is a example of difference between gerund and ing form. Clear? When we use is as a verb, we can say that it is not a gerund. When we use as a noun and as a subject and as object as well, then we can say that it is noun and gerund. It is gerund. This is gerund. This is not gerund. This is verb, and it is used for the present continuous. Students, there is also another information for you that gerund is used as subject, adjective as well. Okay, adjective, और जब हम subject में use करते हैं तो हम इसको as adjective भी लिख सकते हैं, and also an object. Object के तौर पे और subject के तौर पे जो use होगा वो gerund होगा. अगर हम उसको helping verbs के बाद use करते हैं तो वो verb होगा. Clear? So here is definition again. We will revise. A gerund is a verb plus ing which is used as a noun. Which is used as a noun. Like swimming, I have written here. Like swimming is a good exercise. I love eating. I is a subject, love is a verb, and eating I am using as object. So that is gerund's examples. Clear? Class 5, this is your next Plan Test 2's syllabus, that is goal, poem and words meaning, and you should have to make the sentences of these on your notebooks. After that you will learn the summary by heart and also write on notebooks, and these are the keys of the exercises that have given you in your books. So these are just keys, and you should write the answers on your books and after that solve it, and there are also mentioned the pages as well. Like that, these are all exercises keys, and after that you should have to create a work about my city, and I have already given you word bank, city name, located in province, famous things, famous for historical buildings, popular bazaar or street visiting places. You can make your own according to your city. Now this is gerund. I have told you like Sana is running, that is verb, and running is a good exercise, that is gerund. And there is a difference between gerund, and there are some information about it, and there is also an activity related to it, like I don't wait. Wait is when we use verb plus ing form, then we make it gerund. So I am writing here, writing. So I don't, writing. Forget, do, doing. Help, helping. Use, using. Laugh, laughing. Leave, living. Clear? You should have to complete it. So here is a question for you, that make on your own sentences using the given gerund as subject and as object. ये जो आपको 5 वर्ड्स दिए गए, प्रेइंग, शाउटिंग, लव, डिसाइडिंग, टायर्ड, फ्लाइंग, हेल्पिंग, इनको आपने एज अ सब्जेक्ट भी यूज़ करना है और एज अ ऑब्जेक्ट भी यूज़ करना है जर्नल में, ठीक है। उसके बाद आपने प्लान टेस्ट 2 की तैयारी करनी है। ये सारा आपका प्लान टेस्ट 2 है, और उसके बाद आपने एक एक्टिविटी अपनी नोटबुक्स पे लिखनी है। राइट इंडेफिनेट यानी प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट, पास्ट इंडेफिनेट, फ्यूचर इंडेफिनेट टेंसेज एंड कॉन्टिन्यूस प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर टेंसेज विद उर्दू ट्रांसलेशन ऑन नोटबुक। हम लोग पहले ये सब कुछ कर चुके हैं क्लासेस में, इसलिए इसकी आपने जस्ट रिवीजन करनी है, और ये आपने सारे टेंसेज नोटबुक्स पे लिखने हैं। क्लियर? So now I am going to show you the sample of this activity. Look students, there I have written praying. Praying is a good deed, यानी कि दुआ करना एक अच्छा अमल है या अच्छा फेल है। I love praying, मुझे दुआ करना पसंद है। So here I am using praying as a subject and I love praying as an object. दोनों जर्नल है, लेकिन यहाँ पे मैंने सब्जेक्ट के तौर पे यूज़ किया, यहाँ पे मैंने ऑब्जेक्ट के तौर पे यूज़ किया है। क्लियर? सो आपने इसी तरह से ये सारी एक्टिविटी करनी है। आपने इसको एज अ सब्जेक्ट भी यूज़ करना है, एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट भी। जैसे शाउटिंग इज़ नॉट अ गुड एलिमेंट, कि जो शाउटिंग है वो अच्छी चीज़ नहीं है। द गर्ल्स आर शाउटिंग, द गर्ल्स आर स्टैंडिंग इन द क्लास एंड शाउटिंग। और यू कैन से दैट आई डोंट लाइक शाउटिंग। तो आई डोंट लाइक तो हमारा सेंटेंस हो गया, ठीक है। अब ऑब्जेक्ट रह गया, तो आगे मैंने लिख दिया शाउटिंग, तो वो उस तरह से मैंने इसको एज ऑब्जेक्ट भी यूज़ कर लिया। और शाउटिंग इज़ नॉट अ गुड फॉर अस, शाउटिंग इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर अस, इधर मैंने एज अ सब्जेक्ट यूज़ कर लिया। क्लियर? Okay, you should have to do more practice on your notebook of gerund and other grammars concepts, and also the literature as well. So this is your lecture. If you have any confusion related the topics, you can send the message to sir, and then we will help you and solve your problems. Allah Hafiz.